Championship. Orange. Foul rep. Patak dan PCB. One foul. One foul for white team.
Sama to kono.
First attempt, Boji. One.
Kamyo.
Second attempt for free throw. Boji. Sergeant Doroka, the baby Westbrook of white team. Pass to Isiguro. West foul rep.
Gas.
Number 7, Sergeant Villegas.
Nice, one
Seven.
Sige, balik.
Both team, one foul. Pass to Uruga, attempt 3 points. Uruga, 3 points. Pass to Boji. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Colonel Pataray. Colonel Pataray, attempt 2 points. Rebound by Patak. Uruga dribbling the ball. The MVP of Lana, Baby Westbrook. Major League. Dribbling the ball. Pass to Isigira. Nice basket! 2 points! Colonel Pataray, pass to Talent. Isigira dribbling the ball. Pass to Major League at the pass to back to Isigira. Rebound by Guluki. Boji dribbling the ball. Harassing by Uruga. Villegas attempt 3 points. Bugut. Talib attempt last intercept by Uruga. Pass to Boji dribbling the ball. Bohian pass to Guluki. Lost ball. White ball. Time for the first quarter. 8 minutes at 20 seconds.
Uruga tanawa kini.
Major pass to Uruga. Attack for the net. Uruga 3 points. The second 3 points by committee. Now jersey number 30, Uruga. The BB Westbrook of Lala. Boji, dribbling the ball, Boyan, attempt pass to Sergeant Villegas, MVP of Valencia Bukidnon, rebound by Guluki. Traveling. Dito shoot, binigyan ng Rizzo. Intercept, cross pass by sana ni Shirley. Guluki, attempt. Block by Patak. Patak dribbling the ball. Pass to Uruga to Manga pass back to Uruga. Pass to Guluki. Drive to the basket. Guluki 2 points. Time 7 minutes and 2 seconds for the first quarter. Score 4-8 in favor of White team. Isigira under the basket, intercept. And nice what a pass by Isigira.
Tres.
Og sa orange team. Isigira. Foul by foul.
Relax.
First attempt, jersey 89.
Yes!
Another 2.
Isa. Yes!
Second attempt, rebound by Patak. All rep.
Tabang! Hey! Tanaw!
Pass to Kenel Buyukan.
Yes!
Iya Pak, wala ka masulat ka niya. Uruga.
Yes!
Patak rebound.
Hey, wala tres! Woo!
47.
Wala tres!
5 minutes and 12 seconds. Rebound by Habib intercept by Manga. Pass to Uruga.
Yes!
Wapo
Defense!
Kumana.
What defense? Defense!
Wala pa rin.
Good, good!
Bata block by Patak. Uruga. Foul na. Who's foul? Jersey.
Red, relax, relax.
Of white team.
Yes!
There's a team. Third triple na na. Triple niya daw. 11. Karo nga atong yagi. 10 triples.
Relax lang, relax. Yes, yes, yes.
Second natin. 4 minutes and 28 seconds. Shot clock. 18 seconds.
Hey, hey!
16 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Rebound by Beligas.
Okay, congratulations sa white team. Congratulations sa white team. Sa lalo silang coach. Hold out lang. Hold out lang.
Okay na may picture.
Okay, taga-hospital.